Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: Excel basics and a business idea. First, pick a real service, say bookkeeping or automated reports, and open a sample dataset. Once done, normalize headers, set date and currency formats, and remove blanks. This saves hours later. Next, build one working worksheet that demonstrates value, summary metrics, a pivot table, and a simple VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. Make sure to save a template and note assumptions so you can repeat and sell this workflow. Now you turn that template into a sellable product. Use structured tables, named ranges, and dynamic formulas so the workbook scales. Then add data validation and protected input cells so clients can't break logic. Conditional formatting highlights exceptions. Once the model runs on multiple datasets, build a dashboard sheet with key KPIs and exportable PDFs. This is your demo. Also create a short README and an editable version. These reduce support requests and make onboarding faster when you start selling. Finally, market and deliver. Offer a clear package, editable Excel, PDF output, and a one-time onboarding call. Price based on time saved or monthly value, charge hourly or a fixed fee. Once clients start using it, ask for feedback and iterate. If something breaks, do this. Ask for the failing file, reproduce the error on a copy, then isolate the formula or data causing it. Never edit the live file. This approach protects clients and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.